In today's top cryptocurrency news, April 0 for 2023, in the first new, massive supply chain attack targeting small number of crypto companies, Kaspersky. CrowdStrike and Kaspersky found an infection in a communications app that delivered a backdoor, but deployed it only a few times. In the second new, is Dogecoin coming to Twitter? Watch the market report. On this week's episode of the Market Report, Cointelegraph's resident expert explains why Dogecoin has been pumping and what it has to do with Twitter and Elon Musk. In the third new, deposits to zkSync surpass $110 million as its DeFi ecosystem explodes. Crypto traders are actively investing in projects launching on zkSync as the hype around its potential governance token airdrop increases. In the fourth new, Texas Senate committee moves forward on bill removing incentives for crypto miners. Under the proposed legislation, certain crypto mining firms participating in a program to reduce the load on Texas' energy grid would not receive an abatement on state taxes. In the fifth new, PayPal and the credit card industry are taking advantage of consumers. Stablecoins offer a way for consumers, particularly Americans, to escape the financial industry's punitive transaction fees. In the sixth new, Liquidity protocol sentiment exploited for over $500,000. More than $536,000 was transferred through Synapse Bridge as part of the attack on April 4, according to Ethereum blockchain data. In the seventh new, Fed liquidity injections drive down US Treasury yields, but not Bitcoin price. Regulatory uncertainty and the recent enforcement actions taken against major crypto exchanges reduces the odds of Bitcoin breaking above $30,000 in the short term, but investors are still bullish. In the eighth new, Paxful closing, CEO blames staff departures, regulatory challenges. Paxful CEO Ray Youssef said US regulators don't get it, but infighting in the C-suite may have played a role in the company's closure as well. In the ninth new, Celo Foundation and Google Cloud partner to support sustainable Web3 startups. The collaboration is set to allow founders building on Celo to access credits for Google Cloud and Google's mobile development platform, Firebase. In the 10th new, LayerZero raises $120 million to expand cross-chain messaging efforts. The new funds will be used to increase headcount and expand the company's presence in the Asia-Pacific region. In the 11th new, Arbitrum FUD spooks the market, but on-chain data shows whales accumulating ARB. On-chain data and technical analysis show strength in ARB's price, even after a weekend filled with rumors and sell-offs. In the 12th new, SEC reaches agreement in principle to resolve insider trading case of Coinbase product manager. Both Ishan and Nikhil Wahi pleaded guilty to criminal insider trading charges after being arrested by US authorities in July 2022. In the 13th new, will Shiba Inu tail Dogecoin's price rally? Shiba Inu's price risks dropping 20% in April as it forms a classic bearish continuation pattern, based on technical analysis. In the 14th new, banking crisis could spark the first extended duration Bitcoin bull market, says Swan Bitcoin CEO. The next BTC bull market will last longer than previous ones due to the latest banking crisis, according to Swan Bitcoin CEO Corey Clipston. In the 15th new, crypto exchange backed by 3 AC founders launches with claims trading plans. OPNX CEO Leslie Lam said the exchange planned to launch claims trading aimed at helping users from bankrupt crypto platforms including FTX and Celsius. In the 16th new, 12 ways ecosystem projects can attract more developers. There are multiple strategies to help crypto ecosystems create a welcoming environment for developers. In the 17th new, Bitcoin in Senegal, why is this African country using BTC? Bitcoin adoption has the potential to take off in Senegal, where people are eager to get away from the volatile and colonial local currency. In the 18th new, 73.3% of Q1 rug pulls happened on BNB chain, Immunifi. Rug pulls and other frauds made up a small percentage of losses compared to hacks and exploits, the report stated. In the 19th new, Brazil bank BTG Pactual to issue USD-pegged stablecoin. The new US dollar-pegged stablecoin aims to help BTG Pactual's customers interact between the traditional financial system and the digital economy. In the 20th new, Midjourney AI users find workaround amid ban on Chinese president's images. Midjourney AI bans the creation of Chinese President Xi Jinping's images, but users find ways to create deep fakes. In the 21st new, TON validators receive single nominator smart contract. Orb single nominator contract offers independent validation for validators, safeguards against gas attacks and enables stake recovery during emergencies. In the 22nd new, why is Dogecoin price up today? Dogecoin price hits a 4-month high after rallying 30% in a day, with Elon Musk and Twitter playing a central role in the Doge craze once again. In the 23rd new, Liechtenstein's VP Bank taps Metaco to expand custody and tokenization services. Swiss digital asset infrastructure provider Metaco collaborated with Liechtenstein's VP Bank to expand its support for tokenized assets. In the 24th new, European banks launch sustainable blockchain platform for digital bonds. The platform makes the first use case of a so-called proof of climate blockchain protocol. In the 25th new, Cointelegraph Accelerator and BitsCrunch startup program join to aid NFT projects. Through a new initiative, Cointelegraph Accelerator and the BitsCrunch startup program aim to help startups in the NFT data space by providing free data tools. In the 26th new, Dragonfly Capital invests $10 million in BitGet amid industry recovery. The exchange currently facilitates cryptocurrency derivatives trading with an open interest of $2.4 billion and has plans to expand its spot trading, Launchpad and BitGet Earn products. In the 27th new, Bitcoin price bounces after CZ arrest rumors as traders eye $30,000 next. BTC price action performs a classic sweep of the lows, with Bitcoin on track to tackle the $30,000 mark once again. In the 28th new, what is Gods Unchained, and how to play it? Gods Unchained is a blockchain-based card game where players have true ownership of their assets. This guide has all you need to know. In the 29th new, Euler Labs hacker returns all of the recoverable funds, timeline. 23 days after the hack, on April 4, Euler Finance announced the total possible recovery of the lost funds, thus ending the $1 million bounty. In the 30th new, Allbridge exploiter returns most of the $573,000 stolen in attack. An exploit resulted in around $573,000 in crypto looted from Allbridge, but the hacker has now seemingly accepted the offer of a white hat bounty. Today's news ends here. Tomorrow there will be more news. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with cryptocurrency news. See you tomorrow.